name's Azalia, and I'm in 2B. Hello, I'm in 2B, and where's my was Azalia, and I got the highest in primary, and today is the 19th, and it's my friend's birthday. I have a YouTube channel. It's called Xavier, because there's Xavier Stevens, because it's my daddy's phone. I don't have phone. It's stolen. I don't know where is it. And plus, other phone my uncle dropped, so I'm stolen. Yeah. Peggy. And I like watching Deaf Children. It makes me learn how deaf children works. Peggy, that's my friend. This is my friend. She's overseas now. She do this. Peggy. No, not my friend, my YouTuber. Go, Peggy. Peggy. Peggy.